Hello! Let's have a look at the keyboard shortcuts that we have available in Sedna and how you can use these to save you time when navigating. By pressing Ctrl-J, or Command-J for Mac users, you'll bring up a list of available keyboard shortcuts. This list is context sensitive, meaning the list of actions displayed in this list will be dependent on what screen you are currently on. You'll see that we have keyboard shortcuts for actions on messages, such as replying with R, following with F, or archiving with E. You should also see that we have a series of keyboard shortcuts based on changing the cursor focus, so it should help you to reduce the amount of times you need to move your hands away from your keyboard and onto your mouse. So by pressing C, we can go straight into the comments field so that we can leave a comment on a message for one of our colleagues. By pressing S, we can go straight into the search bar to start creating a search. And by pressing B, we can very quickly access our list of saved bookmarks. You should also see that any available keyboard shortcuts will be displayed in any of the tooltips when hovering your cursor over any of the icons in the Sedna interface. So those are the keyboard shortcuts. Thanks for watching.